Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the reverse an array problem. So here we are given an array of n elements and the task is to reverse the given array. The reversal of array should be in place. That means we have to reverse the array in the same array. Okay, that's why our function here it is also void. It is not a any array or some other return type, right? So we have to like store the reverse order in the same array. So here we can see input n equal to 5, array is 1 2 3 4 5. So what should be the output? 5 4 3 2 1 in the array itself. Okay, so here given the example 3, n equal to 3, array is 1 to 1. It should be the reverse should be 1 to 1 only, right? Yes, it's done. Let's try to understand this. Let's consider one example, n equal to 4 and array equal to 1 2 3 and 4. What is our output? Output should be array equal to 4 3 2 1, right? And here what is the indexes? Indexes are 0 1 2 3, right? So what we need to do, we need to create one more array with 4 spaces, right? Same size of original array, right? And we need to put something like this: 3 here, 2 here and 1 here. Nothing but 4 3 2 1, right? So if we say, let's say consider our original array here and let's say temporary, there is one more array, right? So here if we say my a of I, right, a of I is nothing but 0, right? And here if we say we have marked this I, right, we'll mark this I equal to 0 1 2 3, right? a of I is 0. It is going where? It is going 1 is going at a of 3. A of I is going at a of 3, right? A of 0 is going at a of 3 in this particular example, right? Let's say a of 1 is 2. It is going at a of 2, right? Or maybe we can say temp of 2. We should say temp here, right? Temp of 2. Then a of 2 is 3. It is going at temp of 1, and then a of 3 is nothing but 4 is going at temp of 0. Till now we have understood what is the problem here, and we have to find some relation with I and n. Similar way we have tried to find the relation in patterns problem, right? So here can we say we have to find this particular, right? N minus I minus 1, can this be a solution for temp? So in this case n is 4. So 4 minus I is 0, right? I is 0, right? So 4 minus 0 minus 1 is 3, right? Then here 4 minus 1 is 2, right? Then 4 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, right? 4 minus 2 minus 2 is 0, right? So we can say this is the formula that we have to apply here to find the element where we have to place it in the temp while traversing the array A. Okay, so we'll write first for loop. Okay, first for loop will be basic one, right? We know I equal to 0, I is less than n. This is how we will traverse the array, right? And we'll take one temporary array, int maybe temp equal to new int of n size, right? This temporary array will be of same size, right? So inside that, what we'll do temp of n minus I minus 1 equal to array of I. Can we say that? Yes, basically at temp equal to 3 first, for the first loop, what we'll do, array of I is 0, right? Then again, when I will become 1, we will do temp of 2, right? Temp of 2 will be array of 1, right? So this is how we'll add all the elements into temporary array. But here we know we have to replace those elements in the original array. So we will take one more for loop. We will run it for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, inside that, what we'll do, array of I equal to temp of I. Simple, right? Because what will happen here after this step, what will happen, my array will be 1 2 3 4 and my temp will be 4 3 2 1. It is already reverse, temp is already reverse. So in this step, what we are doing at array will become 4 3 2 1, similar to temp. Okay, and here talking about time complexity, it is nothing but we are running 2 for loop and it is not a nested for loop. So O of n for each for loop into 2 is nothing but O of n, and space complexity is O of n again. Why O of n? Because we are using one more array temp to store n elements, right? So that's why space complexity is O of n, and this is not a optimal solution. Due to that, we will see the better one in the next lecture, but let's try to write the code for this one in this particular lecture. Int temp equal to new int of n. This is we are declaring our temporary array here. Then for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and we will use our derived formula temp of n minus I minus 1 equal to array of I. Okay, then after that, what we'll do, for of, again we'll declare same for loop equal to 0 is less than n, I plus plus, then array of I equal to temp of I. Try to run this. Yes, it's accepted. So we will try to see the better approach in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.